Hello everyone, welcome to Sophiya Studios. I'm Sophiya and it's a great day to draw. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw Jiji from Kiki's delivery service. Jiji is a fun sidekick we always want to have with us. I think she's also funny because she acts almost like Kiki's conscience in a way. She's more cautious, and as a kid I found her sarcasm really funny. So I started off drawing a very large oval for the head, and now I'm moving on to two really big triangle ears. Jiji's ears are basically as big as her head. You really want to exaggerate how big the ears are. And I tend not to just draw things as one line, so that's why you see a lot of sketching motion, and I think this helps me refine the lines later. But I don't do any harsh solid lines until I know what direction I'd like them to go in. And now I'm just drawing the other ear and trying to make it match the right ear. And now Jiji's eyes are also pretty large, but they tend to be just on the upper half of her face. And she has pupils that aren't round circles, they're actually ovals, but they face vertically. And she has a cute little oval nose, and then another round, sort of tennis ball shaped eye. More like a lopsided golf ball. That's how I would describe that shape. And remember, when you're drawing, nothing has to be perfect, especially not the first time around. I know that I erase a lot in this video, and that is okay. Mistakes are good. What does Bob Ross say? He says, happy accidents, I guess. But yeah, we could go with that. We can go, everything's just a happy accident. So now I'm drawing in the teeth and Jiji's tongue. It's important to try to make it look more like she's smiling than screaming, which is hard when the mouth looks like that, but once we color it in, it will look different. And then I went back, refined the ear a little bit, and then Jiji's body is really long and slender, and then her paws are very rounded. And so for the body, it is a really long oval shape, but I just went ahead and drew the second leg. Reaches in front of that leg that we already drew. The rest of her body, the back legs are very rounded. They don't even have feet when they're drawn in the movie until she stands up, so I just drew another sort of squashed oval that Jiji will rest on. And then her tail is like a curved J, just very relaxed lines. I absolutely adore this movie. I think that it touches a lot on growing up and also trying to find your calling and trying to find out what you want to do with your life. You know, Kiki is always wondering, what can I be? What do I specialize in? And I think that a lot of kids ask them those questions now, especially my friends. I'm in college now, I'm a senior. It's like, what am I supposed to do with my life? That I started this art YouTube channel to help others learn art, because I know when I was starting out, I would always watch tutorials, and I loved watching Studio Ghibli movies and how to draw this or that character. And so I think it'd be fun to make art every day, but also to be able to give back while doing it. So right now we're coloring in Jiji. In Studio Ghibli films, they tend to shade with two different colors, so Jiji's inner ear is a darker purple, and then I use a lilac on the outer ear. And then also for her coat, there's a darker black and then a cool gray color that I used for the rest of her body that's not as shaded in. complete. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you have a character or movie that you really want to see drawn, please let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more content. I put out new videos every week. Thank you.